Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can open a Spotify account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the browser. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the search bar and then type Spotify. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. Then you're going to be right here. As you can see guys, you're going to find all of the results. Go ahead and click on the first link, open Spotify. So right now I'm going to log out from my current account to show you guys how you can open a new account. So it will look like this. So right here, as you can see guys, in the top, you're going to find sign up and also log in. Go ahead and click on sign up. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. They're going to tell you your location. So go ahead and click on sign up. And then as you can see guys right here, these are all of the options for signing up. You can either sign up using your email address, or you can sign up using Google, using Facebook, or using your Apple account. So right now, I'm going to use my email, then click on next. So this email is already linked to an existing account. So I'm going to change the email address, or I'm going just to sign up using my Google account. So if you sign up using your Google account, just choose your Google account. Then once you do that, go ahead and hit continue. And then once you click on continue, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, this is the last step. Once you're here, you need to enter your name, add your date of birth, and lastly, choose your gender. And then once you do that, just click on next, and then you're going to be able to create your Spotify account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.